for the stage with other riders, and you take the leader jersey, and now you have to try to Don Lucie. How you see?
Yeah, I think we have a strong team to do it, and then we're also in a great position with me and Tadej both in the top 3, so I think we're in a really nice spot for the next 2 days to defend.
The last day I asked you about being in the World Tour, battling for the GC. Is something new for you? You are a new rider in the top level. How you see yourself? You are in good shape?
Yeah, for sure. It's new. It's obviously nice to be at this level finally. I mean, I've been kind of gradually working up to it, so yeah, I'm excited to see how it goes. I mean, I think I'm in nice form, so yeah, I think we can do it.
Tomorrow it will be an easier day, but the final day, the Saturday, will be a really, really hard one.
Yeah.
How you expect the 2 last days?
Yeah, I think on paper tomorrow should be easier. I mean, the weather might not cooperate, so we'll take it as easy as we can, and then yeah, full gas for Saturday.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.